In this flipped classroom presentation, students will learn about entrepreneurship, what it takes to be an entrepreneur, and the common characteristics that most entrepreneurs possess. While entrepreneurship can be defined in many different ways, our definition will include that it is a process of starting, organizing, managing, and assuming responsibility for a business. And so, an individual willing to take a risk and start a business in an attempt to earn a profit would be called an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship and small businesses are responsible for most new employment. Studies show that more than 600,000 businesses are created every year, with many of those hiring in a variety of different positions. Entrepreneurs are typically responsible for finding a way to finance their new business ideas. 75% of this startup capital comes from savings, loans, and credit cards. While 1 in 10 Americans say that they have invested in a business, entrepreneurs are often on the lookout for a venture capitalist. A venture capitalist is an individual with a high net worth willing to invest in a business that has a good chance to be successful. New and small businesses produce a large volume of goods and services for the economy. Businesses with just a single owner and no staff account for more than $770 billion in annual sales. While every entrepreneur is unique, it's typical to find many of these characteristics in any entrepreneur that you might research. While we have talked about many different types of business owners, please note that not every business owner is necessarily an entrepreneur. While many individuals not involved in business planning look at what an entrepreneur does as risky, an entrepreneur doesn't necessarily see things the same way. Risk simply means the possibility of loss, and in this case, it refers more specifically to a business failing. But most entrepreneurs view risks as opportunities. The opportunity to grow a business, the opportunity to invent a new product, the opportunity to improve a product, or the opportunity to simply make a profit. Every entrepreneur hopes and dreams of success, but many face failure. In many cases, the examples of failure can be traced back to inexperience.